Hello students of class 8th, welcome in online classes of TSC. I am Vishala Rajput and today I am going to teach you English grammar chapter 2 determiners. Okay, so let's start it. Determiner means to decide something firmly and precisely. Determiner कोई चीज़ हम स्ट्रांगली या प्रिसाइसली मीन्स कोई शुद्ध रूप से डिसाइड होती है वहाँ यूज़ होता है. Hence in English grammar, all such words are called determiners, which come before noun words and provide them particular identify among many such other nouns. Determiner हम always noun के before use करेंगे, such as a, and, the, this, that, my, your, etc. Determiner is in fact a qualifying word as it qualifies noun. एक qualifying words है क्योंकि noun को क्या करता है, qualify करता है. The use of a noun word is necessary after a determiner. कभी भी आप determiner का single use नहीं कर सकती, right? हमें determiner just before of noun. Okay, we can use determiner just before of noun. It is necessary. Sometimes another objective or qualifying word may come between a determiner and noun, such as an honest man. Okay, as we can see, first is determiner, second word is adjective and third is noun. तो कभी कभी नाउन के जस्ट बिफोर यूज़ ना होके वो एडजेक्टिव के बिफोर भी यूज़ होता है. ओके, दिस क्लेवर चाइल्ड. सो एज वी कैन सी, फर्स्ट वर्ड इज डिटर्मिनर, सेकेंड इज एडजेक्टिव एंड थर्ड इज नाउन. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट टाइप्स ऑफ डिटर्मिनर्स. Determiners are classified as demonstrative determiners, just like this, that, these and those. These are called demonstrative determiners. Second is possessive determiners. My, our, your, his, her, their, etc. Possessive means आप कोई चीज़ पे अपना स्वामित्व बताते हैं, राइट? जैसे कि माई पेन, आवर स्कूल, योर पेन. ओके, सो इनको क्या कहेंगे हम? पजेसिव डिटर्मिनर्स कहेंगे. थर्ड इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव डिटर्मिनर्स. ईच, एवरी, आइदर, नाइदर. ओके. फोर्थ इज न्यूमरल डिटर्मिनर्स. 1, 2, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एट्सेट्रा, जिनको हम नंबर्स में डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, उनको क्या कहेंगे हम? न्यूमरल डिटर्मिनर्स. फिफ्थ इज क्वांटिफाइंग डिटर्मिनर, जो हमें क्वांटिटी बताता हूँ नाउन की, जैसे मैनी, फ्यू, मच, इनफ एट्सेट्रा. सिक्स, एज वी ऑल नो, आर्टिकल्स, ए एंड द, इसे आप वेरी वेल नोन है. इंटरोगेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स, विच, वॉट, होज. ओके, नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज द वर्ड्स these, that, these, those are called demonstrative determiners. These are used before noun to determine its position. These are used as these, that, these and those. ये क्या बताते हैं? नाउन की पोजीशन बताते हैं. These before singular, near an object. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नियर है मतलब पास में है, उसके बिफोर, और सिंगुलर होना चाहिए. सिंगुलर मीन्स एक वचन. ओके, तो उसके आगे हम दिस का यूज़ करेंगे. दैट बिफोर सिंगुलर, फार ऑब्जेक्ट. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दूर है, राइट, और वो सिंगुलर है, तो उसके आगे हम दैट यूज़ करेंगे. दिस बिफोर प्लूरल नियर ऑब्जेक्ट. नियर ऑब्जेक्ट हम इतना ध्यान रखना है कि दीज एंड दीज आर यूज फॉर नियर ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड THIS दिस फॉर सिंगुलर एंड THESE दीज फॉर प्लूरल. दोज बिफोर प्लूरल फार ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, फार ऑब्जेक्ट मतलब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दूर है, कोई चीज़ वस्तु. ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स कोई चीज़ वस्तु सामान, वो अगर दूर है तो हम किसका यूज़ करेंगे, दोज का यूज़ करेंगे. और वो प्लूरल है. प्लूरल मीन्स बहुवचन. ओके, सो लेट्स टर्न योर पेज. वी कैन सी सम पिक्चर्स हियर. लेट्स रीड इट. दिस बॉल is mine. That ball is yours. तो आप क्लियरली देख सकते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे क्या है, बॉल है, राइट. तो जो बॉल है वो अगर बॉय के पास में है, आप देख रहे हैं ना, नियर द बॉय, दैट्स वाई वी हैव यूज्ड दिस हियर. ओके, एंड हियर द बॉल इज फार, so there is used that. These colors are mine. Those colors are yours. Okay, these and these are used for such objects which are necessarily present at the place, time of speaking, while that and those can represent such objects which may or may not be present at the time or place, है ना, time of speaking. अब हमें क्या ध्यान रखना है, सेकेंड थिंग. ओके, नियर और फार तो है ही है, बट सेकेंड थिंग क्या है, जब भी आप बोल रहे हैं तब वो ऑब्जेक्ट वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, तब दीज एंड दीज का यूज़ होगा. बट अगर ऑब्जेक्ट प्रेजेंट नहीं है तो दैट एंड दोज का यूज़ होगा. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट आवर एक्सरसाइज. एक्सरसाइज 1. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ अप्रोप्रिएट डेमोस्ट्रेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स. हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, डेमोस्ट्रेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स का यूज़ करके ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है. अब कौन कौन से हैं डेमोस्ट्रेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स? THIS दिस, THAT दैट, THESE these, and THOSE those. So let's start. First, dash school is famous for good result. स्कूल सिंगुलर है, राइट, सो वी विल यूज दिस. ओके, यू कैन नोट डाउन. सेकेंड, बुक्स आर पब्लिश्ड फ्रॉम दिस पब्लिकेशन. ओके, बुक्स आर पब्लिश्ड फ्रॉम दिस publication. Which determiner we will use? Can you guess? These. Okay, these books are published from this publication. Third, the man was not reliable. So हमें ध्यान रखना है, man is not present while speaking, so we will use that. THAT just because singular noun and object or the person about whom we are talking is not present. Fourth, blank are my pens and blank are yours. Okay, which determiner? These are my pens and those are yours. Fifth, what are blank people doing here? What are these people doing here? Sixth, what were blank people doing there? The people are not present. Okay, that's why we will use those. Who cares blank plants of this garden? Plants plural, so we will use here this. Okay, I hope you all are understanding it very well. Now 8. Blank horse runs very fast. So we will use here this. This horse runs very fast. 9th. Blank horse was not good. Horse is not present at the moment, so we will use that. She is working very hard these days. Okay, so we have completed exercise 1, demonstrative determiners. Now we will start a second type, possessive determiners. These are my, are, your, his, her, its, their. दिस एक्सप्रेस पोजीशन, पोजीशन क्या बताता है? स्वामित्व बताता है, आपका मालिकत्व बताता है. और रिलेशन और नाउन और रिलेशन विद द अदर नाउन्स, थिंग्स बाय विथ अदर नाउन्स. माई बुक्स इज ऑन द टेबल. माई बुक, possession of book my by me or the book belongs to me. यहाँ पे book के साथ possession किसका दिखा रहा है? my. ओके, possession word कौन सा है? my. he is your brother. the possessive determiner कौन सा है? your. brother belongs to you. are, their and your are used for plural noun. are, their and your हम किसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं? प्लूरल नाउन के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. my, your, his, her, its are used for singular noun. Okay, singular means ekvachan. your is used for both plural as well as singular noun. योर दोनों के लिए यूज़ होता है, सिंगुलर और प्लूरल के लिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज सेकंड. He should not leave his bag here. You should write your roll number. They are busy in their duties. The people should not park their cars. Yesterday, she sang the best song of her life. A fish respires with its gills. We all love our country. I am doing my work. and you should do your work. She regards blank parents very much. Her, sorry, we will use here her. Now, distributive determiners. Each, every, either, neither are called distributive determiners. These indicate each one before these words are used, a singular noun come after them. Just example, each student was punished. Every boy got the sweets. Either student may come here, neither student is allowed to leave the class. Every boy got the sweets. Every means here everyone, okay, and each means everyone. Either students may come here. Either here means only one student may come here. Neither student is allowed to leave the class. Neither means no one. No one student is allowed to leave the class. Exercise 3. These all are good dresses. You can select blank dress. You can select either dress. These all are good dresses. You can select either dress. Neither students, Neither. Neither students came to school yesterday as it was holiday. He talked to blank student one by one separately. Every. He talked to blank student of the class. Each. These books are very popular and are present in every library. You should talk to blank person regarding his/her personal problems. You should talk to every person. Blank candidate of the committee was agree with the proposal. Each. Blank student of the class was busy in his/her studies. Every. Okay. Now fourth one is न्यूमरल डिटर्मिनर्स, जिसको हम नंबर्स में डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देर आर टू पार्ट्स, definite and indefinite. Okay, so we will see definite first. 1, 2, first, second, etc. determiners. Indefinite, some, many, several, all, a lot of, a large number of, many, plenty of, etc. Now fifth, quantifying determiners or quantifiers. These all are little, a little, the little, a few, any, much, enough, both, all, etc. Some determiners are used as both numerals as well as quantifiers. A brief description of some such determiners is being given below. Let's start. First is little. Little means अगर हम बोले तो थोड़ा सा. It is used before uncountable nouns and it means very less or negligible. I am very busy. I have little time for fun. मतलब नहीं के बराबर, right? A little. It is also used before uncountable nouns and it means less amount. There is a little milk in the jug. मतलब जग में कैसा है, बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा दूध है. A little बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा, बिल्कुल लेस अमाउंट ये शो करता है. The little. It is also used before uncountable nouns and it means all that, very less. Okay, little is for less, a little is for less amount. Okay, and the little is for very less amount. I ate the little food you gave me. बहुत ही कम मात्रा शो करता है. Next is few. It is used before plural countable nouns and it means very less or negligible. Negligible मतलब नहीं के बराबर. He has few books. बहुत ही कम. He has few books. मतलब आप इसको few को काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. काउंटेबल मीन्स जिसको आप काउंट कर सकते हैं, राइट? और लिटिल, ए लिटिल, द लिटिल अनकाउंटेबल नाउन जिसको आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते. ए फ्यू. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज बिफोर प्लूरल काउंटेबल नाउन्स एंड इट मीन्स समथिंग बट लेस इन नंबर. ओनली अ फ्यू बॉयज पास्ड इन इंग्लिश. वेरी फ्यू. It is also used before plural countable noun and it means all that, very less. I have already read the very few. Many and much. Many countable noun के before आएगा और much uncountable noun. Okay. Many. It is used before plural countable noun and it means large in number. यहाँ पर स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, LERGE दिया आएगा, LARGE आएगा. I have many friends. Much. It is used before uncountable nouns and it means large in amount. ये कहाँ यूज़ होगा? uncountable noun के before. Just like I don't have much milk. Some. It is used before countable as well as uncountable nouns in affirmative sentence and to express offer or request. It means less in amount or number. For example, there is some milk in the pot. Will you spare some time for me? यहाँ पे जो मिल्क है वो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है, राइट? सो फिर भी हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं? सम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. एंड विल यू स्पेयर सम टाइम फॉर मी. एनी. It is also used before countable noun as well as uncountable noun and it means sum in number or amount. It is usually used in negative and interrogative sentences, but in affirmative sentences it can be used along with some negative adverbs. He did not any work. उसके पास कोई भी काम है, इसको मतलब नेगेटिव में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, राइट? He did not and do any work. Second, are there any pens? तो यहाँ पे किस लिए यूज़ हो रहा है? क्वेश्चनिंग के लिए. He has hardly any work to do. So now various and several. These both are used before plural countable nouns. Various is used for many things or person for different types. Several is used for many things or person of some category. For example, various books were lying on the table. He sold several books. Enough. It is used before both countable as well as uncountable noun, and it means adequate in number or amount. Enough means पर्याप्त होता. I have enough money. It's showing adequate quantity. Next is both. It is used before countable nouns to indicate them being two in number. Both means two in numbers. It can also be used before uncountable noun if they are of two types. Both of them were wise. मतलब दोनों ही क्या है, wise है. I will drink both milk and tea. Many a. It means several, but singular nouns is used with many a man has lost everything due to their greed. All. It means including everyone or the entire amount there is. All of us were tired. A lot of, a great deal of, a good deal of, plenty of, large number of. All these are used before singular uncountable and plural countable nouns, and these mean large in number or amount. Large amount या number को show करता है. I have a lot of friends. People have a good deal of faith in democracy. Exercise 4. Fill in the blanks with appropriate determiners, selecting from the brackets. Write the complete sentence in the space below. There are blank books in my school bag. Option is much and many. There are many books in my school bag. So we will take many. How blank water do you have in your glass? How much? There is blank water in the glass. Option is few and some. Some, because few is used for countable noun. I bought blank books from the market. Here is lot of spelling mistake. आपको करेक्शन करना है, राइट. यहाँ पे फ्रॉम, बुक्स फ्रॉम मार्केट, बुक्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट. ओके, तो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है कुछ, आपको करेक्शन करनी है. एंड द ऑप्शन आर अ फ्यू, अ लिटिल. आई बॉट a few. I have blank friend who love me too much. I have many I have many So you should have to do all the exercise from exercise 1 to 4 in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. और जहाँ पे भी आपको स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स मैंने बताई है वो आपको करेक्शन करना है. ओके, so do your homework. Till then, bye everyone and take care of yourself.